Tell me a bit more about your company.
Our work here is ready to take up something which is fully natural, provided by nature, to make it be more optimal, so to replace petrol in industrial manufacturing.
And this is cashew in this case.
The shell already,
Yeah.
so you know the cashew, the nuts, they already comes with the shell. And that's what we take, which is actually a waste in the farm. So really the opportunity coming with this shell because it offers this natural oil. The natural oil happens to be a great replacement to petrol, both as a more carbon neutral solution, also as a safer solution. We're starting now in Europe and the US. It's really about coatings, adhesives, and industrial materials such as foams.
What have been your touch points with IC3?
It's been an instrumental partner for us. He helped us in networking. It was just great, it was really what we needed.
What would you say? What is your company's contribution towards a transformation, towards more sustainability and a healthy future?
He is really taking something that nature gives to you and making it available to the industry. So it's really like sort of cleaning up what we have on this world.